Howdy folks, I'm here to do an unbagging. I have this shipment that I just got from Nadine West. They're sending really big bags these days. They're sending me a lot of stuff. We'll see what I like, what I don't like, what I'm gonna keep, what I'm not gonna keep. However, I'm looking right now and looks like there's a lot of stuff in here. I did tell them I wasn't as interested in the jewelry and accessories type stuff, so I probably don't have a lot of that in here. Anyway, so I'm here, got all of this that I just pulled out of the bag, and Paul's over there, so if you hear a disembodied voice, that's him.
Howdy!
So we'll go ahead and start with the first one. I'm gonna say I think it might be a romper, but we'll see. Oh, there's like a tie of some kind. Wow, this is serious. Let me unroll it. Wow, this is like very big. What is it? Oh, is it like a kimono thing? That's really interesting. Let's just put it on. Or like, wrap this. I just knocked the plant over. Sure did. Knocked the plant over. This is cute because it has like this little fringe and detail. See that? Yeah.
I like it.
This is kind of cute. But I'm trying to figure out what, I think it's supposed to be like a kimono that you wear over stuff, which actually kind of goes with my outfit today, actually. It's kind of weighty. There's like some weight to it. I do wish I had pockets, if I'm being honest. But this could be good to wear into the fall, actually, I think. It has some good colors in it, and it has my signature color black that I wear a lot. That's cute. Oh my goodness. Let's see, hold on, did I didn't grab the thing out of here that says how much things are. I didn't want to look ahead. Oh, I guess this is supposed to be a dress? Oh, B, slit, crisscross, olive. No, that's not it. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what this is. Is this the dress? I hope it's not a dress because there's no way I could wear this as a dress. All right, we're gonna come back to it as soon as we see what everything else is. But it's very cute. I would probably wear it like kind of one of those long kimono type things. Yeah, okay. Let's see what we got here. We have a couple of things that are olive colored. So, bottoms, olive me. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that pattern. Oh my gosh, these are leggings. Let's see if they're stretchy. Pretty stretchy. They don't have any pockets on them, but they're not like an athletic legging. They're more of just for funsies. But yeah, I like that pattern. That's neat. I think that would be great for fall too, and they're very soft. I could wear them with boots. I could wear them with like a black tunic dress. That's very nice. And these are $14.39. That's really not too bad. $14 for that. What is next? Oh, another bottoms. Oh, these are just shorts. Oh, I didn't even know. Top, bottom. So these bottoms, they're shorts. They're like athletic shorts, but they have a pocket in the sides for your phone. Actually, I think that might be good because we have been talking about going back to the gym. So this might be a good addition to going back to the gym. And they're very stretchy, so I bet they'd be comfortable for getting on machines and such. What do you think, man?
I like them.
Look, that's a pocket. Oh, I like this pocket too because the other one came with a mesh pocket. This one isn't mesh, so like you can't exactly see what phone I have and all of that, which I know that sounds really paranoid, but I like my privacy, which is why I have a YouTube channel. Okay, what do we have here? This is a black top. Prosper. One of these. It's either Prosper or Marsha. This is cute. Oh, it's neat. It's like I bet you this is supposed to go with those shorts, actually. It came right after them, but it's a top. Not sure if the arms will fit my arms because they have these white stripes on them. So I don't know if they'll fit because my arms are kind of big. but it's cute because it has a little pocket in the front too. So that's kind of nice little athletic option. It looks like it would be comfortable. It looks like it's an athletic shirt. It's soft, lightweight, very lightweight, so good for the gym. So that's a good option. Now here is something green, another olive colored, which I like. Oh, thyme. Okay, so this is top. This is thyme colored. So this is definitely this top. Very cute. It's long. I'm willing to bet it would look nice with those leggings, but it is a button up, and I tend to have issues with button ups, if you can see what I'm talking about. Don't make that face. Yeah, so button ups are hard for me because if they are not big enough in the chest, then I have to wear several layers and then keep that part unbuttoned, and it's just, I have to think way too much about what I'm gonna wear instead of just throwing on a couple of things. So that can be complicated. All right, looks like this is a top, or maybe it's a dress. Let's see. Nope, it's a top. If that was a dress, that'd be way too short. But I really like it. It has a crisscross detail. See that? It's got a crisscross detail. It's a very thin shirt. Look, like you can still see me through it. But I can always wear like a colorful camisole with it or something like that. But I like the crisscross detail. I also have like a black lace bralette that's like intended for you to see the straps and things. So that might be a good thing to pair with this. Since it's lightweight, I can still wear it in the summertime as long as I'm kind of in the shade. It should still be light enough to wear in the heat that we have here in this area. Very cool. So this one, it looks like the top is either $15.50 or $19.50. It's sometimes hard because the tag that they have on these things, it doesn't say which item it is, and it doesn't ever have like the brand. So if it would say like, because the brand here says hippie chic, if it said that on there, it'd make it a lot easier. So that's something I would say to Nadine West, like if you're gonna put this many similar colored items in one bag, there should be a better way to name them so we can tell the difference. Because if you just have top, bottom, dress, those things, then it can sometimes be difficult to tell the difference between things, to know what you're buying. Okay, is this a dress? It's a top. It's a top here. And it looks like it has a side detail. Yeah, so this is just a regular top, but it has kind of a side slit lace-up detail. But it looks like, yeah, it's only on one side. So it's asymmetrical, it's olive colored. I like that color. I think it looks good with my hair. So depending on that, I may keep it. Top B, side slit crisscross olive. So this is $16.79. So side slit crisscross. That's what this is. Okay, so we know that. Good. All right, some plain, very plain black leggings. You know, I saw this thing about Marie Kondo. It's like, how do you know that? I don't remember what it was, but it was like, how do you know that 27 pairs of leggings don't spark joy? Well, maybe 47 pairs of black leggings do spark joy. Have a lot of those options. And then what is this? Oh, a skirt. It's a pencil skirt, a black pencil skirt. That's cool. I don't know that. Bottom plain and simple black. That might be that. Or bottom the Morelli. So either way, it's between $15 and $20. So all the items I got here, the least expensive item is the bottom Modesty black, and I think that might be those shorts. So it's $13.19. The most expensive thing is the dress, which that's probably the first thing that I picked up. I'm gonna have to figure out like how that works as far as being a dress. And that's $23.99, which is still pretty reasonable, especially when they ship it to your house, you know? I don't know how this is gonna look on me. I tend to carry my weight like in my like hips and my stomach, and so I don't know how this is gonna look with that. It may depend on what top I pair with it. But yeah, this is cute, and it has like a little the bottom is cute because it has like a little bit of a detail down there. Man, I'm really very, there we go. You can actually see correct lighting. So we have some good options here. Like I said, that first item apparently is a dress, and that is $23.99. And I'll go from top to bottom. What it says here: top Prosper Black, $19.59. Top Marsha Black, $15.59. Top Hannah Time, that's that lighter green button down, $19.59. The side slit crisscross olive shirt is $16.79. The olive bottoms, like the patterned leggings, those are cute. Those are $14.39. Bottom Modesty Black is $13.19. Bottom Plain and Simple is $19.59. Bottom Morelli Black is $14.79. And then the dress is $23.99. Now, having seen what you saw, what would you keep? What would you send back? I am apt to keep black clothing just because I know that it's really versatile. I can wear it all the time. You can still have cute details like that crisscross top, like this cold shoulder top. So you can still wear them and do something a little different than what you might already have. I don't have a crisscross top quite like that. That's short sleeve for the summer. I do have one that is a simple crisscross, one crisscross, and it's a 3/4 length sleeve. And I really like that top. If that one fits, I'll probably keep that one. I also really like the athletic shorts with the pockets. I think that may not just be good for exercise, but that could be good to like wear under dresses and things, because I like to wear shorts under my dresses. So wear them under dresses, and then you have an extra pocket there. If your dress doesn't have a pocket, you can put your phone in there, something like that. Or credit cards, money, things, because it'd be much more difficult to get to that if you're in an area where you have to worry about people coming up to you and like pickpocketing or whatever. I really like the leggings, so if those fit and those are comfortable, I'll see how they look with that crisscross shirt, because maybe that will be a good outfit. I like to mix and match what they give me, and they give you, a lot of times the way Nadine West works is they try to give you stuff where you can mix and match and put it together and make it into something. So that's really, I really like that about what they do. They tend to send me more casual wear, which is totally cool. I'm fine with that. I like getting these packages. I generally don't keep the whole thing. I generally keep 1 to 2 articles of clothing, just because there's a reason that I do this. It's an inexpensive way to participate in a clothing subscription box. And I like to be able to say that. It's inexpensive to get the box every month. Most boxes have like a minimum, like a $20 fee just for styling. This one is much less than that. I think it's up from, it used to be $6.50 per box, and I think now it's like $8.50 or $9.50 or something. But that's still far less expensive, and you get an additional discount on what you keep, so that's really nice too. And that amount goes toward your purchase. So if I keep one article of clothing and it's that one that's like $13, and say it's $9.50 or $10, then I'm only spending like $3 or $4 on those shorts or whatever that item is. And so I think that's a really good deal, and I don't have to go shopping. I don't have to go there to the store, pick something out myself, and try it on. It's really nice to do that. So I enjoy it. I like Nadine West. I'm going to continue doing it just because it's one of those things where I feel like I can participate, but it's very budget friendly. And you guys know how I feel about being budget friendly. I love being budget friendly. So comment below if there's a piece you think I should keep, or if you'd like to see me do a try on and I can post to my Instagram the different outfits that I come out with from this little haul. That would be cool. Also, what you can do is like the video if you want to see more of this, so that I know that you guys are enjoying that kind of content. If you want to see more of me unboxing subscriptions, then I can do that. Also, subscribe to the channel so you can see more of what I come out with that's budget friendly or whatever, and then ring the notification bell so that you know when I have new content coming out. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.